Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love to watch them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. Today in this video we are going to see how to make masala milk. Masala milk is an Indian flavored milk made using dry fruits like almonds, cashews and pistachios. So without any further delay, let's start with the recipe. Roast about 25 cashews, 25 almonds and 25 pistachios for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep it aside and let it cool down till room temperature. Now in another saucepan add half cup of water and boil about 5 to 6 cashews. Once the dry fruits cool till room temperature, grind them to make a fine powder. Similarly, grind boiled cashews and water to make a cashew paste. Now, in a saucepan, add 2 liters of milk and let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add dry fruits powder. And cashew paste, which helps in thickening the masala milk. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon of saffron strands and half cup of milk powder. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar or adjust it according to your sweetness. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of thinly chopped almonds and pistachios to the milk. Let the milk boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can serve the milk hot or you can even refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours. Garnish it with some more thinly chopped almonds and pistachios and saffron strands. If you love this recipe, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how was it.